One side is a container, the other side is an extra large hydraulic press, along with 2 hydraulic press ground anchors. Let's see if small cars can pass safely. Here comes a fire truck, a small car, and a familiar truck. A big truck is coming. Oh, here comes another fire truck. Lastly, there's a school bus. Oh no, the school bus got crushed into scrap metal. Let's increase the difficulty then. Pulls a chain between the 2 hydraulic presses. Can the sturdy chain stop the cars? The police car's lights, the fire truck's lights, other vehicles don't seem very high. Oh, the school bus should be able to block it, but the school bus is too high. Both school buses were completely blocked here by the hydraulic press. As expected, the 2 school buses were immediately crushed into metal sheets and caught fire. Here, there are 2 more ground piles, and with 4 hydraulic presses added, doesn't this make it even more difficult? The bus has no problem. Another bus has no problem. The 2 cement mixers, oh no, they're scrapped. Okay, remove the hydraulic press and let's install 2 huge hammers. The big pendulum tests everyone's chance of passing through. 3 cars have already been smashed. What about the 4th fire truck? The fire truck got through. The school bus, oh, the school bus is fine too. There's a bus behind. Wow, it got smashed and flew away. Let's increase the difficulty again by placing 3 ground stakes. If not careful, they could be shot away. And there are 2 huge hydraulic presses next to them. A red truck came through without any problem. Another big truck is coming. Is this road full of big trucks? Let me keep this last one. Let's reduce the difficulty a bit and only place 1 ground stake. Ah, the familiar truck has no issues. Here comes a cement mixer. Go, go! Oh, another cement mixer is coming. Past. A large truck came from behind. Oh no, the lumber on it was crushed. Lower the difficulty. Lower the difficulty. Alright, now everyone should be able to pass smoothly. Big truck. Come on, come on. Oh, slow down a bit, slow down a bit. Hurry up through, hurry up through. Another yellow bus came from behind. Oh no, the timing was crushed. Let's rush down from the hill. This way the speed will be faster. Maybe it will be easier to get through. The 1st police car, the 2nd transport vehicle, the 3rd police car, the 4th and 5th all made it through. As expected, when the speed is fast, you can avoid being crushed. These 2 vehicles didn't time it right and got stuck in the middle, directly crushed to scrapped. Oh, that's such a pity. Let's reduce the difficulty by removing the scorpion, but let's add some ground stakes at different timings for the lumber transport truck. Successfully passed. Here comes another cement mixer truck, and there's a car behind. Oh no, it's still stuck.